Yup, that's right. I just got Thomas and Friends with a Railway Frank, one of my rarest models and one of the best in the range. This one is very detailed. As you can see, he has a painted running board, painted lamp and painted eyes. This model was released in 2001, discontinued later in 2002. This model is very well made and recreates the character Frank very well. I got him on a flea market for, gonna guess, $5. Yup, only $5 for this amazing model. He has his name printed on the bottom. Well, that's all guys. See ya!